Be ready. Start. It should be understood in such a case that the department forwarding the names should be prepared to release any one of the persons recommended, but the head of the department would be entitled to call from the demanding or borrowing government or department their reasons for selecting a person other than the one recommended as number one. Stop. Such reasons should not be demanded save in exceptional cases because the selecting government or department has the final voice in making their selections, which are usually based on officers' record and qualifications, and the selecting government or department are in the best position to judge their own requirements. Stop. In case the demanding or borrowing government or department ask for an officer by name, it will be often find that the reference is the result of personal pull, an unauthorized approach, sifarish, and considerations of that type. Stop. Unless it is obvious that no such pull or similar consideration has found a play, the head of the department concerned should make a back reference and ask if there were special reasons for asking for the individual by name. Stop. There are Government of India's orders contained in their office memorandum dated the 17th May 1949, copy enclosed, to which the attention of the borrowing or demanding government might be invited. Stop. The department should ask the demanding government or department to intimate qualifications, etc. for the post, and the department would itself forward name or names of suitable men. Stop. In other words, calling for the services of officers by name should be discouraged save in obvious cases to counteract and avoid what are understood to be backdoor influences. Stop. This is very necessary in the interest of discipline and good administration, and where an officer has been trained abroad at government expense, he should not normally be permitted to go in contravention of the terms of his agreement. Stop. I am to request that the instructions mentioned above should always be taken into consideration before an officer/official is allowed to go on transfer or deputation to another department or another government. Stop. The undersigned is directed to refer to the Ministry of Home Affairs official memorandum dated the 3rd August 1948 and to say that the Government of India had occasion to consider that changes, if any, should be made in the existing system of securing officers from the provinces of employment at the centre. Stop. As the ministries are aware, the essential features of the existing system as originally conceived as are follows. Stop. An officer of Joint Secretary's status designated as Establishment Officer to the Government of India should facilitate the selection of officers for employment at the centre, maintain personal contracts with central governments and provincial governments, negotiate with the latter and discuss with them with complete confidence and frankness the difficulties of provinces and the centre and the merits of the officers in view, and finally maintain a list of officers considered suitable for service under the Government of India. Stop.